In this video, let me show you the way that you can use the Signal app on your desktop. If you have been using Signal on your phone and you want to add it to your desktop or your laptop as well, let me show you how you can do it. First things first, you'll need to download the application onto your device. Search for Signal on the search bar, and right here you'll see the option called Signal for Windows. You can just click on this option and then click on download for Windows. Make sure that the app is downloaded and installed on your device. Once the app now has been downloaded, make sure you install the application on your device and then make sure you log in using your phone. You can see the instructions that are given on the screen. You need to open the Signal app on your phone and then head over to the settings so that you can tap on the link option and then tap on link a new device. So you need to scan this QR code from your phone on your Signal app, and there you'll now start to log in, along with all of your messages will also be synced. Once you've been now logged into the Signal application on the desktop, you can use it normally as you do. Chat with other people, you can use the chat section. You can also phone call or video call inside of the Signal app as well. So that's all there is for today's video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.